Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning your site structure and heading hierarchy before editing. Use clear heading hierarchy with heading 1, heading 2, then heading 3. Create separate pages before adding a table of contents to the main page. Use concise titles and short sections for better table of contents readability. Rename pages in the Pages panel to match desired TOC labels exactly. Group related content under one page rather than many tiny pages for easier navigation. Ensure important headings appear near the top of each page for quick access. Open the Insert menu and select Table of Contents to add it to your page. Insert the built-in Table of Contents from the Insert menu on Google Sites. Choose Show Page Links or Show Section Links to control link types in the TOC. Use the block handles to resize and position the TOC precisely on the page. Adjust text size and alignment with the site style controls for consistent appearance. Preview changes often to confirm links and layout behave as expected across devices. For long pages, use linked headings or custom anchor links to jump to sections. Use linked headings or custom anchor links to jump to sections on long pages. Add the table of contents to a sidebar for persistent navigation across pages. Keep the TOC visible by placing it above the fold when possible for faster access. Publish changes and test the TOC on desktop and mobile before sharing publicly. Update headings after publishing and republish to ensure the TOC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.